Guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new, my name is Vanessa. For those of you who are not new, welcome back. So today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be doing my iPad unboxing. I got the iPad and I'm so excited. I used to have an iPad a really long time ago, but that one I got it was like the first generation iPad that ever came out. Like 8 years, I think it didn't work anymore. So I haven't had an iPad for a really long time. But I ended up purchasing one and I'm super excited to unbox it with you guys. I've honestly had it in my hands for like a few days already and I have not opened it, so I'm like super excited to finally open it with you guys. As you guys know, I also did my iPhone unboxing a few months ago, so I'll link that down below in case you guys want to check that out as well. But yeah, so this is the iPad that I got. I did get it at the Apple store. This is the iPad 7th generation. I got it in 32 gigabytes and I got it in the silver color. Really excited. This is definitely going to be useful for like school and just like other miscellaneous work that I have to get done. A lot of work I do on my phone for like my job and stuff, so I thought this would be really good to like incorporate. That way I'm looking at things on a bigger screen. So I am super excited to unbox this and get to using it. I did already get a case for it and also a screen protector. I might be getting the Apple Pencil and the keyboard also soon, which is also really exciting because definitely this semester, even though it's going to be my last semester, I still can definitely use it to like take notes and whatnot. If you guys have an iPad, make sure you guys comment down below which iPad you have and what you use it for. Any specific apps for iPad or for notes or anything like that, I would love to know. So as I mentioned, this is the silver one and this is just a regular iPad. It's not the iPad Pro or anything. So as always, it comes with this stupid plastic wrap on it, which is so hard to take off. Let me see if I can do this with my fingers, with my nails. It seems like I can't. Okay, got it. So first thing I'm gonna do is just take off this wrap that it has on it. Just gonna peel this off. That was so satisfying to take off. Okay, so this is the box. So now I'm just gonna lift this. See if I can do this with one hand. Okay, I might need both. Let's see this. So, come on. Okay, got it. Okay, so here it is. Oh my god, it is freaking huge. Oh my god, guys, this screen is immense. I think it is like 10 inches or something like that, but it looks insanely big. Oh my god. I feel like I didn't remember it looking this big in the store. It's huge. Anyway, so I'm just gonna take it out of here, show you guys the back of it. Oh my god, it's really big. The thing that I really love is that it's so lightweight. Like, it's literally super lightweight. Like, I know my other iPad that I have, which honestly I still have it, it's like so heavy. So this one feels really nice. It's really light. I'm gonna move on to what's in the box and then I'll get right back into the iPad. So of course they have the charging cable, which is just the same one for the iPhone. So they just have this cube here as well. Let me just take this out. So guys, if you guys do have an iPad, make sure you guys are using this specific cube to charge your iPad, because when I went to the Apple store, they told me that to make sure that I'm using this one, because the other one, the one that's specific for the iPhone, can really mess up your batteries. Your iPad requires like more strength to like charge, and this cube specific gives it to you. The other one is made specifically for the iPhone, so that's why it won't. But the iPad, obviously it's a bigger device, so you need more power to charge it, and this cube is the one that you have to use. They really recommended that, so if you guys have an iPad, make sure you guys are using this one so you guys don't mess up your battery in the future. So they just have this little pamphlet, which is just like the instructions, and then just the typical Apple stickers that it brings, so that's nice. And then right here, it just shows you the iPad, and then here's this is how it's gonna look when you turn it on. So I'm just gonna turn the iPad on now. I'm just gonna hold it over here, and it should turn on. Let's see if it's charged. Okay, yeah, so it's turning on right now. Let's see, I'm gonna have to like set it up with my phone. Luckily, like now with these new iPads, all you really have to do is just bring your phone together and like literally all the information will sync in and you won't have to do anything, which is like really great, because that way you don't have to insert all your passwords and everything again. It'll just be like as if it was your phone. All the information will transfer. So over here, it's already giving me the option to like select English, United States, and then it says, yeah. So it says if you have an iPad running iOS or later, bring it nearby. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So as you guys can see, it did show up already on my phone. So I'm just going to continue with that. And then it's going to pair both devices, which is really great. That way you don't have to. So right here, it says to put my device here so that it can read that. And then now it's going to start just syncing the information. It's really great because it's just so simple. Like if you already have an iPhone, link all your information onto your iPad, which is really awesome. So yeah, so it says setting up your iPad now. So literally that's the only thing that I'm gonna have to do for the iPad. After that, it says it's gonna take a few minutes to activate your iPad. So that's pretty much it. So right now it's prompting me to do the finger thing, because this also is supported by Touch ID, which is really great because you can just do this. You don't have to put a password or anything. My fingerprint right now, just so that it knows. I did get a case for it, as I mentioned, but I might be changing it, so I don't know if I'm going to put it on yet. I did get a screen protector for it though. I always use tempered glass for literally like any of my devices, like my iPhone or like my Mac. I even have one on it, on my camera, even though some people don't really agree, or some people think that they break really easily. On my end, they've always lasted a really long time, and it's like literally if you drop your phone, like it'll be like that breaks, the tempered glass, not your actual screen. So that's happened to me many times, and always my tempered glass that breaks, it's never my actual screen. So that's why I always recommend it to like anybody, like for any device. Honestly, they sell it for like, they sell tempered glass for literally like any device that you can imagine. So I definitely recommend it, because that way you're not risking breaking your device. Everybody in my family knows that I always have like extra of these. Replacing the screen is just so expensive nowadays, and even to replace the iPad, one thing about the iPad actually that I will mention is that if you break the screen, they have to replace the whole iPad. The iPad doesn't have like any screws on the bottom like your iPhone does, so that's why they're unable to replace the screen. So if you ever break your screen, you have to replace your whole entire iPad. Of course, it can become very expensive, so that's why I always recommend just put tempered glass in your device. My experience, it has saved me from a lot, so definitely recommend it. Anyway, so that's that. So now I'm just gonna finish setting up my iPad. So yeah, let me know if you guys are using that. Let me know what apps you guys are using, or just any other apps that you guys are using that are like designed for your iPad. Make sure you guys comment them down below. I'm super excited to be playing around with my new iPad. So don't forget to give it a like and subscribe down below to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's just @VanessaCastano_. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!